Good evening and welcome to Business. My name is Boni Tunya. The last time the Kenya Revenue Authority surpassed its revenue collection targets, the country had just promulgated its new constitution. Now, in the first half of 2013-2014 financial year, KRA managed to collect 450.8 billion shillings against its target of 450.2 billion shillings target. Could this be the year that the taxman finally beats its target? Sh3.3b has all those answers.
The Kenya Revenue Authority is set to break its 3-year jinx as it gears up to meet its 2013-2014 revenue collection targets. The taxman is on course to collect 973.5 billion shillings in the current financial year after surpassing its growth targets for the first 6 months of the year.
It's a very good indication of things starting to pick up, maybe even at the broader economy level.
The taxman collected 470.8 billion shillings in the first half, a 23.7% jump in collections compared to the previous year's collection of 380.7 billion. This growth was driven by a jump in customs taxes, which grew 28.8% in the 6 months, thanks to the coming into force of the VAT Act 2013 and the introduction of the Railway Development Levy. The 10% excise tax introduced on financial transactions also contributed to the increased earnings. This is the first time in more than 6 years the taxman has met its first half revenue collection targets. Ironically, the taxman collected more VAT in the first quarter of the year before the operationalization of the VAT Act on the 2nd of September 2013 than in the second quarter of the year. This saw KRA miss its second quarter targets by 3.7 billion shillings, collecting 225.6 billion against a target of 229.3 billion. Going forward, KRA is planning to scale up the implementation of the VAT Act, enhance surveillance of revenue leakage hotspots, and migrate all taxpayers away from the risk-prone manual process to the electronic declaration and payment system dubbed iTax. Moreover, the authority is introducing taxes on proceeds from winnings in addition to going after athletes' earnings as they seek all avenues to raise tax collection.
The robust performance in the third quarter, and that this should sustain the momentum we have achieved in the first half and lead us to achieving a full year target of 973 billion shillings.
KRA is hoping the acceleration in revenue collection will continue on in the second half of the year, allowing the taxman to collect the 973.5 billion shillings targeted for this year. Sh3.3b, KTN Business.